Sound therapy is not just for meditation, it's also great for relieving sore toe. Hey everyone, today I'm sharing a simple way to relieve toe soreness and a minor injury at home using Otto 111 Hz tuning fork. This low frequency is perfect for reducing tension and pain, making it a wonderful tool for the foot care. The 111 Hz frequency is known for calming and grounding effect. With weighted end, this tuning fork creates stronger, deeper vibration that can work wonders on sore muscle and joints. Especially useful for small areas like our toes that might feel tender or stiff. To get started, gently strike the tuning fork on a soft, firm surface like a rubber mallet. This activates the fork, creating a vibration that will target the sore area around the toes. Place the fork directly on the side on your toe, close to the area that feels sore or tender. Let it rest here, allowing the deep vibration to work into the muscle. This vibration helps increase the blood flow, which can reduce inflammation, relieve tension, and even aid in healing. Notice change like color, tenderness, and any pain relief as you go. After holding the tuning fork for one spot for 30 seconds to a minute, feel free to move it to other area around your toes. Try the top, the base of each toe, and even the arch of your foot. Regular use may lead to more flexibility and reduce soreness over time. Take a few deep breaths as you use the tuning fork. Breathing slowly and deeply can help you relax, and it also complements the calming effect of the vibrations. With regular use, you might notice your toes feel less tender, more flexible, and even experience less pain overall. Keep an eye out for any slight changes in color or temperatures as you use the fork. These are signs for improving blood flow. To keep your tuning fork in top shape, give it a quick wipe down with a soft cloth after each use. Avoid harsh cleaner. Just a touch of soapy water if needed. Keep it drying before you storing in a dry place to prevent rust, so it's always ready for your next foot care session. Clean and store to keep it lasting longer. And that's it. Just a few minutes with this 111 Hz auto tuning fork can make a big difference for sore toes. Give it a try and let me know how you notice less soreness, better movement, or change in how your toe feel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more simple, effective wellness tips. See you next time.